Hello everyone. I am VM Prakash from Department of Mechanical Engineering, studying at SNS College of Engineering. I am going to take a topic on 3D printing technology. The topics on 3D printing technology is what is 3D printing, history, general principles, additive process, 3D printers, applications, resources. What is 3D printing? 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of making a three-dimensional solid object of virtually or any shape from a digital model. 3D printing is achieved using an additive process where successive layers of materials are laid down in different shapes. 3D printing is also considered distinct from traditional machining techniques, which is mostly rely on the removal of materials by methods such as cutting or drilling. A 3D printer is a limited type of industrial robot that is capable of carrying out an additive process under computer control. History of 3D printing technology has been around since the 1980s. It was not until the early 2010s that the printers become widely available commercially. The first working 3D printer was created in 1984 by Chuck Hull of 3D Systems Corp. Since the start of 21st century, there has been a large growth in the sales of these machines and their price has dropped substantially. According to the Holzers Associates, a consultancy, the market for 3D printers and service was worth 2.2 billion worldwide in 2012, up 29% from 2011. General principles of 3D printing technology: modeling, printing, finishing. Modeling: 3D printable models may be created with a computer-aided design, CAD package or via 3D scanner. The manual modeling process of preparing geometric data for 3D computer graphics is similar to plastic arts such as sculpting. 3D scanning is a process of analyzing and collecting data of real object, its shapes and appearance, and builds digital three-dimensional models. Both manual and automatic creation of 3D printable models is difficult for average consumers. Printing. To perform a print, the machine reads the design from 3D printable file and lays down successive layers of liquid, powder, paper, or sheet material to build the model from a series of cross sections. These layers, which correspond to virtual cross section from CAD model, are joined automatically, fused to create the final shape. The primary advantage of this technique is its ability to create almost any shape or geometric feature. Finishing. Though the printer produced revolution is sufficient for many applications, printing a slightly oversized version of a desired object in standard resolution and then removing material with a high resolution subtractive process can achieve greater precision. Industry use of 3D printers. As of October 2012, Strays, the result of merger of an American and an Israel company, now sells additive manufacturing system that range from $2,000 to $500,000. General Electric uses the high-end model to build parts for turbines. Consumer use. Several projects and companies are making efforts to develop affordable 3D printers for home desktop use. Much of this work has been driven by the targeted at DIY early adapter communities with additional ties to the academic and hacker communities. RepRap is one of the longest running projects in the desktop category. The RepRap project aims to produce a free and open source hardware 3D printer whose full specifications are released under GNU, which is capable of replacing itself by printing many of its own plastic parts to create more machines. Applications of 3D printers in industrial use. Rapid prototyping. In this general, larger machines use powdered metals, casting media, plastics, papers, or cartridge are used for rapid prototyping by universities and commercial companies. Rapid manufacturing. Advances in RP technology have introduced materials that are appropriate for final manufacture, which has in turn introduced the possibility of directly manufacturing finished compounds. Mass customization. Companies have created services where consumers can customize objects using simplified web-based customization software. Mass production. The current slow print speed of 3D printer limits their use for mass production. To use their overhead, several fused filament machines now offer multiple extruder heads. Applications on 3D printers on domestic use. Clothing. 3D printer has spread into world of clothing with fashion designers experimenting with 3D printed shoes and dresses. 3D bioprinting. 3D bioprinting technology has been studied by biotechnology firms for possible use in tissue engineering application in which organs and body parts are built using inkjet techniques. 3D printing for implant and medical device. 3D printing has been used to print specific implant and device for medical use. In March 2014, surgeon in Swansea used 3D printed parts to rebuild the face of motorcyclist who had been seriously injured in road accident. 3D printing service. Some companies offers online 3D printing service open to both consumers and industries. Such service require people to upload their 3D designs to company websites. Thank you everyone.